What's up, guys? Do you have a Canon camera that's got 4 pins and cannot allow you to use accessories like external flashes with a single pin? And I'll show you an example of how this looks like a pin like that one on this flash, and you try to use it on a Canon camera with pins like that, the 4 pins. You're going to realize and notice that the camera and the flash or any other accessories that will demand to use the proprietary new pin that Canon has decided in this era of cameras,
But why?
it won't work. You know, like you saw the shutter went off, but it did work, and I'll try with external transmitter to show you that the flash actually works. So what you need is a solution that unfortunately involves extra money, but it's not much of a disadvantage or con because it gives you benefits. With this solution I'm about to show you, is get yourself a trigger, an external wireless trigger like the Godox XT2. So what this does is, if you look at the bottom here, the pins, it has 4 pins on both sides which are going to communicate with the camera body, and this allows you to use your single pin device like your flash or the flash that I have down there. As you can see on the top, now just give me a sec. As you can see on the top, there's a pin on top there which enables you to communicate with the flash. Okay, so it's working. So this is how you connect them. The pin is going to rely on that pin, the single pin, which helps the camera and the trigger communicate with the flash. It's a bulky setup, but it works, and I'll show you just now. So here we go. Just like that. And there, it works. So try it out, and yeah,